O paring Wally, ba't nalungkot ka? Parang di ka lang makapasok sa kwarto ni Batista, malungkot ka na. Ba't mukhang nalugi ka?
Lugi-lugi talaga.
Nalugi ka? Bakit naman pare? Eh, yaman-yaman ninyo. May tindahan nga kayo ng nanay mo eh.
Hindi, ininakaw nga yung mga paninda namin eh. Kasi pinabantayan ng nanay ko yung tindahan namin eh.
Teka muna ha. Pinabantayan ng nanay mo tindahan nyo.
Oo.
Tapos ninakawan ka, ba't ganun eh? Binantayan mo naman.
Eh, tindahan lang yung binantayan ko, yung paninda, hindi eh.
Pero meron nagsasabing, di ba huli? Ubi ka na sorry, sige na nga, eto na, wala ko kontra. Jimmy Allen, Juan Jose, si Terry Schumer, mga pogi, di pa patalgo. Kasama pa si Paolo na napaka-cute. Speaking of cute, isa lang si DJ. Grabe na, ito na na, hulaga okay. Grabe na, ito na na, hulaga okay.
Oh, kasi, ang sipag mo naman yata.
Kaya wala na kasing gagawa nito eh.
Eh, saan ba yung katulong mo?
Patulong ko, pinalayas ko.
Oh, ba't mo pinalayas?
Eh, namatay daw yung tatay niya eh. Di pinalayas ko na.
Kasi anong klaseng tao ka ba naman? Namatay na nga yung tatay ng katulong mo, pinalayas mo pa.
Ba't di ko palalayasin? Eh kung dito magmulto yung tatay niya, takot ako sa multo.
Ito ang suking pisano ito. Talentad na pogi, sila na okay. Pagdating sa katigayan, pwede naman. Huli siya na Julia, wala kayo niya. Pero meron nagsasabing, di ba huli? Ubi ka na sorry, sige na nga, eto na, ang wala ko kontra. Jimmy Allen, Juan Jose, kakatawa. Si Terry Schumer, mga pogi, di pa patalgo. Kasama pa si Paolo na napaka-cute. Speaking of cute, isa lang si DJ. Grabe na, ito na na, hulaga okay. Grabe na, ito na na, hulaga okay.
Okay, class. Hoy, Undertaker, dito ka muna. Okay, class. Tama talaga. Umpisa nga agad na dito. Pag-uusapan natin kasi tungkol sa mga wrestling stars. Kaya lang, meron tayong classmate, guest. Meron tayong guest classmate ngayon dito. Mga kaibigan, live ngayon dito sa Itbulaga, ang isang Pinoy na hinahanga ng lahat sa buong mundo. He is WWE's longest reigning heavyweight champion. Ladies and gentlemen, Batista! Batista! Batista is half Filipino, half Greek. Yes, and born in Virginia, USA. And to prove that it's a Filipino by heart, he's got a tattoo on his arm. Yeah, right there. Please greet your millions of fans.
Hello, everybody. How's everybody doing? Having a good time? Yeah.
Have you ever been to the Philippines before you became a professional wrestler?
No, this is my first trip.
This is the first time. Wow. What about speaking in Filipino or Tagalog? Do you know any Tagalog words?
No.
No. Back home.
Mahal-kita. That's about it. Mahal-kita.
What about Filipino food? A dish, a Filipino dish.
I love Filipino food.
What is your favorite Filipino dish?
Adobo. Chicken
Adobo.
All that.
All right. Is there someone who inspired you to become a professional wrestler?
No one in particular.
Really?
I didn't really have any heroes, as a kid. I really just kind of fell into it by accident.
Okay, so it's just plain Batista. Your hero is Batista himself. Okay, I'm sure the Filipinos and people around the world are so amazed with your strength and your wrestling style, including the Batista bomb.
Right.
You invented that.
No, actually, that was recommended to me by the son of the owner of our company, Shane McMahon.
Oh, yeah.
Shane McMahon,
Mr.
yeah.
McMahon.
Yeah.
What about the running power slam? Is that your original too?
No, I don't do all. I don't do all that
The
original.
spine buster.
That's all me.
Okay, you are the longest reigning WWE heavyweight champion. How do you manage all this?
Oh, it's not easy.
Work out every day, huh?
I try to.
Okay, we're all lucky to have a chance to watch him and watch your SmackDown favorites this October. Please invite everybody watching you
Everybody.
nationwide television.
October 21st, 22nd, WWE SmackDown will be in attendance live in Manila at the Araneta Center. Please come on out. Get your tickets now. See Batista whooping some butt. We invite you all to come out. It's going to be a hell of a show.
All right.
October 21st and 22nd, WWE SmackDown.
Do you have any message to the Filipino fans here in Manila and around the world?
My message is thank you. Ever since I stepped out the plane, I've been treated like a king. Even though I'm only half Filipino, I've been embraced by the Filipino people, and it feels like I've come home. So thank you very much.
All right. Thank you very much. Congratulations.
Thank
More
you.
power. The WWE World Heavyweight Champion, Batista. Please acknowledge and say hello to the people outside the studio right now. They're all waiting for you.
Can they see me? Is there a
Just
camera out there?
you can just talk to them on
I want
screen.
to say hello to everyone. I wish I could meet each and every one of you. I don't know if there's going to be time. It'll probably take all year. But thank you for everything, and I really do appreciate your hospitality. Thank you very much.
There you go. Thank you very much. The champion, the heavyweight champion of the world, Batista. Okay. All right.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much.
Kinabahan ako ng konti kanina.
Bakit, sir?
Di ba kayo kinabahan?
Bakit, sir?
Sumulyap sa'yo, parang gusto kang hamunin eh.
Bale!
Sumulyap dito, parang gustong hamunin eh.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Okay.
Before I
Tuluyan na
forget,
natin. Tuluyan na natin yung ating bulagan ngayon na pag-uusapan ng mga wrestling superstars. Pagkatapos si Bautista, sunod natin si Siapao.
thank you.
Paulo Sharista.
Thank you.
Siyang wrestling superstar na trademark costume may black hat at coat. Sino siya na tinatawag na the dead man from Death Valley?
Sir! Undertaker!
Undertaker, correct?
Yes,
knock,
sir,
sir.
knock, knock.
Who's that?
Undertaker.
Undertaker who?
This is for Auntie Dali. Happy birthday. Love you.
There are places I remember all my life. Though some have changed, some forever, not for better. And some have gone, and some remain. Though I know I'll undertake her lose affection.
Come on! I love you. Thank you, Dr.
Happy
Manny
birthday na rin kay Mara.
Mara, happy birthday. Love you.
Happy birthday din kay
Mara
Boyet
Isabel
Malonzo.
Solo.
Okay. Ano na nangyari? Ang unang-unang sagupa. Aba, 20 na naman kayo. Pagpilip na ako. Next, ang Magtia, Ruby Pauline. Ano? Member siya na...
Batista!
Ano?
Yun, yung
Sinulya pa nito, parang may galit dito eh.
para may bakulos.
Oh, gusto siyang hamunin eh. Member siya ng sikat na The Generation X wrestling duo na binansagan
Sir?
naman The Heartbreak Kid. Sino
Sir,
siya?
gwapo yan. Long hair yan, sir. Na blonde.
Sino yan?
Kasing laki ng kaha ko, sir.
Oh.
Shawn Michaels, sir.
Shawn Michaels, correct.
Knock, knock, sir.
Who's there?
Shawn Michaels.
Shawn Michaels who?
What? Dito pa rin.
My girl yan?
I I've got sunshine.
Sabay ka na, sir.
On a cloudy day. When it's cold outside on the month of May.
Bong, bong, bong.
I guess you say, what can make me feel this way? Michael's, talking Sean, Michael.
Pwede. Oo nga pala, binabati
SOP
namin lahat ng mga
tomorrow.
taga South Cotabato.
Yan, hello lahat ng taga South Cotabato.
Sila,
Happy birthday, Tito Pogi and Tito
Governor
Tito
Fuentes.
Tigil na!
Sa
wakas! Isang daan.
Binanggit lang
dahil
yung
yan
South Cotabato dahil doon sa Tuna Festival nila.
Ang galing, sir. South
SOP
Cotabato, I love you.
Si Mayor June Atcharon.
Okay, 100, Don Gonzalez.
Jensan, binabati po namin. Okay, narito, Gladys, Tony Rose.